Good morning students. Today we are going to learn about LCM, that is least common multiples. We are going to find least common multiples of three numbers 5, 12 and 15 using division method. Write the numbers together 5, 12 and 15. We are going to find LCM using division method. You can see that the number 5 and 15 have common multiple 5. So, let us divide it with 5 first. 1 5 is 5. The number 12 cannot be divided by 5. So, let us keep that as it is. We can divide 5 with 15. So, the number will be 3. 5 3s are 15. Let us divide it with number 3. 4 3s are 12. So, write 4 here. 1 3 is 3. So, write 1 here. We have 4 here. So, we are going to divide it with number 2. 2 into 2 is 4. Again divide it with 2. We will get 1 1 1. We should divide until we get 1 1 1 in the last. We have to divide using prime numbers only. 5, 3 and 2 are prime numbers. So, we are dividing it with prime numbers. If we can't divide a number, we should keep the number as it is. We can't divide 12 with 5. So, we have kept 12 as it is. But we have divided 5 and 15 with 5. Next, we have divided with 3. So, the answer is 4. We have to divide 4 with 2. We have got 2. Again, we have divided with 2. So, the answer is 1 1 1. So, the LCM is LCM of 5, 12 and 15 is, you have to multiply all these numbers. 5 into 3 into 2 into 2. 5 into 2 is 10. 10 into 2 is 20. 20 into 3 is 60. So, the LCM of 5, 12 and 15 is 16. I have multiplied 5 and 2 first. 5 2s are 10. Next, I have multiplied 10 with 2. So, 10 into 2 is 20. 20 into 3 is 60. So, LCM of 5, 12 and 15 is 60. Least common multiple அப்படினா multiples வரிசையா எழுதிட்டு எது லீஸ்டா, அதாவது காமன் மல்டிபிள்ஸ் நிறைய வரும், அதில் எது லீஸ்டா இருக்கோ அதுதான் லீஸ்ட் மல்டிபிள். For example, consider 2 and 8. Let us write the multiples of 2 first. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. Multiples of 8. I have written multiples of 2 and 8. Find the common multiple. 8 is common here. Again 16 is common. But the least is 8. So, the LCM of 2 and 8 is 8. Let us check that using division method. Let us divide it with number 2. 4 into 2 is 8. 1 into 2 is 2. Again divide it with number 2. 2 into 2 is 4. So, write 2 here. Again divide it with number 2. We have got 1 1. We should do the division until we get 1 here. We have to multiply all these numbers. 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into 2 is 8. So, we have got the same answer here also. LCM of 8 and 2 is 8. இப்படி நம்மளால் ஒவ்வொரு தடவையும் எழுதி கண்டுபிடிக்க முடியாது. இது சின்ன நம்பர் நம்ம கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டோம். இந்த மாதிரி பெரிய நம்பர்ஸ்க்குலாம் என்ன பண்ணணும்னா இந்த மாதிரி டிவிஷன் மெத்தட் பண்ணால் நமக்கு ஈஸியாக ஆன்சர் கிடச்சிரும். லீஸ்ட் காமன் மல்டிபிள்ஸ்னால் மல்டிபிள்ஸில் நிறைய நமக்கு வந்து காமனாக வரும். இங்கே 8 காமனாக வந்திருக்கு, அதுக்கடுத்து 16 காமனாக வந்திருக்கு, அடுத்து 24 காமனாக வரும். நமக்கு காமனாக வந்திருக்கு. அப்போது லீஸ்ட்னா இருக்கிறதுலே சின்னது, லீஸ்ட்னா சின்னது. அப்போ இருக்கிறதுலே சின்ன நம்பர்னா 8. அப்போது லீஸ்ட் காமன் மல்டிபிள் ஆஃப் 8 and 2 is 8. இதை நம்ம இப்படியே கண்டுபிடிச்சிடலாம் டிவிஷன் மெத்தடில். We have to multiply all these numbers. 2 into 2 is 4, 4 into 2 is 8. So LCM of 8 and 2 is 8. Next we are going to learn about relationship between LCM and HCF. Let us find the LCM and HCF of 6 and 8. First let us find HCF of 6 and 8. Divide it with number 2, we will get 3. Let us stop with this because 3 itself is a prime number. Next with 8. 4 into 2 is 8. Again divide. 2 into 2 is 4. We shall stop with this itself because 2 is a prime number. Write the factors. 3 into 2. For 8 it is 2 into 2 into 2. Only 2 is common here. So HCF is 2. HCF of 6 and 8 is 2. Let us find LCM now. For LCM we have to write 6 and 8 together and then divide. 3 into 2 is 6, 4 into 2 is 8. Divide it with 3, 1 3 is 3. We can't divide 3 with 4, so we have to keep 4 as it is. Next we have to divide it with 2. 2 into 2 is 4. Again divide it with 2, we will get 1, 1. Stop with this. While dividing with 3, it is 3 is divisible by 3, so we have put 1 here. 4 is not divisible by 3, so we have kept 4 as it is and divided with 2. For LCM, we have to multiply all these numbers. 2 into 3 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2 is 4, 4 into 2 is 8, 8 3s are 24. 2 into 2 is 4, 4 into 2 is 8, 8 3s are 24. So the LCM is 24. HCF is 2, LCM is 24 for the numbers 6 and 8. We can see that product of two numbers is equal to product of HCF and LCM. Let us product 6 and 8. 6 8s are 48. Let us product HCF and LCM. 2 into 24. 24 into 2 is 4 2s are 8. 2 into 2 is 4. We have got the same number. Product of two numbers 6, 8. We have to product 6 and 8. 6 8s are 48. That is equal to the product of HCF and LCM. HCF is 2, LCM is 24. 24 into 2 is 48. They both are equal. ஒரு ரெண்டு நம்பர்ஸை ப்ராடக்ட் பண்ணோன்னா அந்த நம்பரும் அந்த நம்பரோட HCF LCM கண்டுபிடிச்சோன்னா ரெண்டுமே ஈக்குவலாக தான் வரும். இங்கே 6ஐயும் 8ஐயும் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணால் 48 வருது. அதே மாதிரி HCFஐயும் LCMையும் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணாலும் நமக்கு 48 தான் வருது. அப்போது நமக்கு இது நீங்கள் படித்து வச்சுக்கணும் ஒன் வேர்டுக்கு. Product of two numbers equal to product of HCF and LCM. Next we are going to solve exercise 5.5. The first problem is find the LCM of the following set of numbers. Now numbers are given, we are going to find the LCM of the numbers. For LCM we have to write the number together. First let us divide it with number 2. 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4. Next 36. 1 2 is 2, remaining we have 1. 8 into 2 is 16. Divide it with number 2. 6 into 2 is 12. 9 into 2 is 18. Let us divide it with number 3. 3 into 2 is 6. 3 into 2 is 6. 3 into 3 is 9. Divide it with number 3. We can't divide 2 with 3. So keep 2 as it is. 1 3 is 3. So write 1. Divide 2 with 2. 1 into 2 is 2. We have got 1 here. So we can stop. We have to multiply all these numbers for LCM. LCM equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 2. 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into 2 is 8. Let us keep that. 3 into 3 is 9. 9 3s are 9 8s are 72. ஈஸியாக மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணலாம். எப்படின்னா 2 ஃபஸ்ட்டு தனியாக மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணுங்கள், 3 தனியாக மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணுங்கள். 3 2 இருக்கா, 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8, அதை தனியாக வச்சுக்கலாம். அடுத்து 3ஐயும் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணலாம். 3 into 3 is 9. 9 8s are 72. இப்படி ஈஸியாக மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணலாம். இல்லை இப்படியும் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணிகிட்டே இருக்கலாம். 2 into 2 is 4, 4 3s are 12. அதுக்கப்புறம் 12 into 3, 12th டேபிள் உங்களுக்கு தெரியணும் 12 into 3 பண்ணுறதுக்கு. அப்போ இப்படி டிவைட் பண்ணணும், மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணணும். 12 into 3 இப்படி போட்டு மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணணும். அப்படி பண்ணுறதுக்கு போல் இப்படி ஈஸியாக பண்ணலாம். 2 தனியாக மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணுங்கள், 3 தனியாக மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணுங்கள். அது ரெண்டையும் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணணும், மறக்காமல் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணணும். 9 8s are 72. So the LCM is 72. Next we are going to find for 12 and 72. Divide it with 2. 6 into 2 is 12. Take the first number 7. 3 into 2 is 6. We have remaining 1. So the number is 12. 6 2s are 12. Again divide it with number 2. 3 into 2 is 6. Consider the first number 3. 1 2 is 2. Remaining we have 1. 8 2s are 16. Again divide it with number 2. We can't divide 3 with 2. So we have to keep 3 as it is. And now we are going to divide 2 with 18 alone. 9 2s are 18. Divide it with 3. 1 3 is 3. 3 3s are 9. Divide it with 3. 1 comma 1. We can stop with this. We have to multiply all these numbers. LCM equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. First divide 3 separately and 2 separately. 2 into 2 is 4, 4 into 2 is 8. Keep 8 here. 3 into 3 is 9. 9 8s are 72. Here also the LCM is 72. இப்படி மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணிங்கன்னா ஈஸியாக இருக்கும். Next we are going to divide 40 and 21. Let us divide it with 2 first. 7 2s are 14. We can't divide 2 with 21. So let us keep 21 as it is. Unit place la parunga 1 irukku. 1 irundha namakku 2 ஆல divide ஆகாது. 2 4 6 8 0 அந்த நம்பர்ஸ் இருந்தா மட்டும் தான் 2 ஆல நமக்கு டிவைட் பண்ண முடியும். ஆனா யூனிட் பிளேஸ்ல 1 இருக்கு. So we have kept 21 as it is. Now we are going to divide it with number 7. 1 7 is 7. 3 7s are 21. Again divide it with number 3. We will get 1 comma 1. So the LCM equal to 2 into 7 into 3. 7 3s are 21. 21 into 2 is 42. 7 3s are 21. 21 into 2 is 42. So the LCM is 42. Find the LCM of the following set of numbers. Now 3 numbers are given. We are going to find the LCM. 15, 25, 30. Let us divide it with 5. 5 3s are 15. 5 into 5 is 25. 6 5s are 30. Now divide it with 3. 1 3 is 3. We can't divide 5. So keep 5 as it is. 3 into 2 is 6. So write 2 here. Divide it with 5. 1 comma 1 comma. We can't divide with 2. So keep 2 as it is. Now divide 2 with 2. 1 comma 1 comma 1. So the LCM equal to 5 into 3 into 5 into 2. 5 into 2 is 10. 10 into 5 is 50. 50 into 3. 0 into 3 is 0. 5 3s are 15. So the LCM is 150. First I have multiplied 5 and 2. 5 2s are 10. 10 into 5 is 50. 5 into 10 is 50. I have multiplied 50 and 3. The answer is 150. We are going to divide 46, 69 and 92. Let us divide it with 2. 2 into 2 is 4. 3 into 2 is 6. We can't divide 69 because in the unit place we have 9. 9 is not divisible by 2. So keep 69 as it is. First consider 9. 4 into 2 is 8. We have remaining 1. 6 into 2 is 12. Now divide the number again with 2. These two numbers are not divisible by 2. So keep that numbers as it is. 2 into 2 is 4. 3 into 2 is 6. 69 is a multiple of 3. So let us divide it with 3. So keep 23 as it is. 2 into 3 is 6. 3 into 3 is 9. Now divide the number with 23. 23 is a prime number, so we can divide. So the answer we have got is 1 comma 1 comma 1. Now let us stop with this and multiply all these numbers here. 2 into 2 into 3 into 23. 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into 3 is 12. We have to multiply 23 and 12. 3 into 2 is 6. 2 into 2 is 4. We have completed the first line. Next we are going to write the second line. 1 into 3 is 3. 1 into 2 is 2. Now add all these numbers. 6, 7 and 2. So the LCM is 276. The next question is find the smallest number that is exactly divisible by 15, 18 and 32. We have to find least common multiple because it is given as smallest. Write the numbers together. Let us divide it with 2 first. 15 is not divisible, so keep 15 as it is. 9 into 2 is 18. Consider 3. 1, 2 is 2. Remaining we have 1. 6 into 2 is 12. Divide it with number 3 now. 5 3s are 15. 3 into 3 is 9. We can't divide 16 with 3. So keep 16 as it is. Next we are going to divide it with number 2. So keep 5 and 3 as it is because 5 and 3 are not divisible by 2. 8 2s are 16. Again divide it with 2. Keep and 5 and 3 as it is. 4 into 2 is 8. Again divide it with 2. 2 into 2 is 4. Again divided with 2. 1. Now divide it with 3. So keep 5 as it is. 1 and 1. 1 3 is 3. Next divide it with 5. 1 comma 1 comma 1. So the LCM is 2 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 2 3 and 1 5. Let us multiply all these 2's together. 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into 2 is 8. 8 into 2 is 16. 16 into 2 is 32. So write 32 in the side. I have multiplied all the 2's. Next I am going to multiply 3. 3 into 3 is 9. 9 into 5 is 45. We have to multiply 32 and 45. 5 into 2 is 10. We have remaining 1. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 1 is 16. 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are 12. We have to add them. We have 0. 8 plus 6 is 14. Carry 1 to next place. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. And here we don't have any number, so write 1 as it is. So the LCM is 1440. I have multiplied all the 2's together. I have got 32. Next I have multiplied 3, 3 and 5. 3 into 3 is 9. 9 into 5 is 45. So I have multiplied 32 and 45. The answer is 1440. So the LCM is 1440. The next question is, Sumit made reservation for an office lunch at local restaurant on 2 days. On the first day, the employees sat in a group of 9, while on the second day, they sat in a group of 11. What was the minimum number of people who went for lunch? We have to find minimum number of people who went for lunch. Minimum number of people who went for lunch equal to LCM of LCM of 9 and 11. In the question it is given as what was the minimum number. Minimum means least. So we have to find LCM. Let us divide it with 3 first. 3 into 3 is 9. 11 is not divisible, so keep 11 as it is. Again we are going to divide it with 3. 1 into 3 is 3. Keep 11 as it is. Now divide it with 11. 1 11 is 11. 11 is a prime number, so we can divide. So the LCM is 3 into 3 into 11. 3 into 3 is 9. 9 into 11 is 99. 11 into 9. 1 into 9 is 9. 1 into 9 is 9. So 3 into 3 is 9. 9 into 11 is 99. So minimum number of people who went for lunch equal to 99. The fifth problem is determine whether the following word problems can be solved by finding HCF or LCM. Then find their answer. The first problem is Sajish goes for dance classes every 12th day and Namita goes for dance classes for every 8th day. After how many days do they go for the dance class together? We have to find when they will go together. Sajish வந்து எவ்ரி 12th டேக்கு ஒரு தடவை டான்ஸ் கிளாஸ் போகிறான். நமிதா வந்து ஒவ்வொரு 8th டேக்கும் டான்ஸ் கிளாஸ் போகிறா. அப்போ ரெண்டு பேர் எப்போ சேர்ந்து டான்ஸ் கிளாஸ் எவ்வளோ நாள் கழித்து அவங்க சேர்ந்து டான்ஸ் கிளாஸ் போவாங்க அப்படிங்கிறது தான் கொஸ்டின். அப்போது சஜீஷ் வந்து ஒவ்வொரு 12th டேக்கும் போயிட்டுருப்பான். அப்போது நமிதா வந்து ஒவ்வொரு 8th டேக்கும் போயிட்டுருப்பா. அப்போது இவங்க ரெண்டு பேரும் எப்போ சேர்ந்து போவாங்க அப்படின்னா அதுதான் லீஸ்ட் காமன் மல்டிபிள். ஸோ வி ஹாவ் டு ஃபைண்ட் எல்சிஎம் ஆஃப் LCM of 12 and 8. Divide it with 2. 6 2s are 12. 4 2s are 8. Divide it with 2. 3 into 2 is 6. 2 into 2 is 4. Again divide it with 2. We should keep 3 as it is because we can't divide 2 with 3. 1 into 2 is 2. Again divide it with 3. 1 3 is 3. So the LCM is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into 2 is 8. 8 3s are 24. So the answer is they will go together after 24 days. The next sum is 3 bells toll together at intervals of 5, 10 and 15 minutes. If they first toll together at 7 p.m., at what time will they toll together again? Also find out if the bells will toll together at 8:20 p.m. First, write the intervals. Intervals, bells toll together equal to 5, 10 and 15 minutes. They first toll together at 7 p.m. At what time will they toll together again? Time they will toll together equal to LCM of 5, 10 and 15. Question என்ன கொடுத்துருக்காங்கன்னா 3 bells இருக்குது. அந்த 3 bellஸும் ரிப்பீட்டடாக அடிச்சுட்டே இருக்குது. 5, 10, 15 மினிட்ஸ்க்கு ஒரு தடவை ஒவ்வொரு பெல்லை அடிச்சுட்டே இருக்குது. ஃபஸ்ட்டு பெல் 5 மினிட்ஸ்க்கு ஒருக்க, செகண்ட் பெல் 10 மினிட்ஸ்க்கு ஒருக்க, தேர்ட் பெல் 15 மினிட்ஸ்க்கு ஒருக்க அடிச்சுட்டே இருக்குது. அவங்க அந்த 3 பெல்ஸும் சேர்ந்து எப்போ அடிக்குதுன்னா 7 pmக்கு. அடுத்து எப்போ சேர்ந்து அடிக்கும் அப்படிங்கிறது தான் கொஸ்டின். ஃபார் தட் we have to find LCM of 5, 10 and 15. Divided with 5, 1 5 is 5, 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15. Now divided with 2, 1 into 2 is 2, keep 3 as it is. Now divided with 3, 1 comma 1 comma 1. So the LCM is equal to 5 into 2 into 3. 5 into 2 is 10, 10 into 3 is 30. So they will toll together after 30 minutes. After 30 minutes means we have to calculate from 7 pm. After 7 pm 30 minutes means it is 7:30 pm. Time they will toll together is equal to 7:30 pm. Also find out if the bells will toll together at 8:20 pm. No, the bells won't toll together after at 8:20 pm. No, the bells won't toll together at 8:20 pm. Because the bells are tolling together at the intervals of 30 minutes. First 7 pmக்கு சேர்ந்து பெல் அடிச்சிருக்கு, அதுக்கப்புறம் 7:30க்கு சேர்ந்து அடிச்சிருக்கு, அதுக்கப்புறம் எப்போ அடிக்கும் 8 o'clock. இது கூட ஒரு 30 minutes ஆட் பண்ணோன்னா 8 வந்துருமா, அதுக்கப்புறம் 8:30. அப்போ 8:20க்கு பெல்ஸ் toll ஆகாது. So the answer is no, the bells won't toll together at 8:20 pm. Thank you students.